Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to become a Bitget affiliate. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. That's what interests you to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto to crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, AI trading bots, and Launchpad. So now that we know a bit of what Bitget is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to become a Bitget affiliate. Now from this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen. You're going to see this icon here, just right after the Bitget logo. You're going to find this icon that has the four boxes. So move your cursor or move your mouse to that. You click on it. And you're going to find promotions. You're going to find three headings: promotions, programs, learn and explore. So under programs, go ahead and click on affiliate. And it's going to take you to the affiliates window. From there, we're just going to walk you through the step-by-step processes that you need to take to become an affiliate in Bitget. It's coming right up. So we have industry-leading commissions, and Steve Messi invites you to join Bitget and start earning monthly passive income. So for you to apply, so here you have industry-leading commissions, join Messi, and then proof of reserves. You can become an affiliate using any of this. So go ahead and click on the apply button. So remember, Bitget helps content creators, community leaders, social media influencers, and other KOLs to monetize their influence, boost your passive income and high commissions. Now click on the apply button in there. Now you have just the simple steps to become an affiliate. Now in here, you're going to have to enter your user ID from Bitget. Now you have this proof of influence that's entered list one. You have to select any of this proof of influence option that you have, either X, YouTube, just select any one. So let's say Facebook. And then you have a lot more options here. So you have to fill in, like, enter the link to your Facebook profile in here and then enter the number of followers that you have. So in here, you have to click or drag and drop to upload your screenshot, the screenshot of your profile and your followers. So once you're done with these steps, go ahead and click on the next step. Now, the next step is self-explanatory. The next step is just to help you conclude or to complete the steps that you need to take to become a Bitget affiliate. And the next step is actually self-explanatory. As you can see, you have just two simple steps. So you're going to be asked to fill out some other stuff and then agree to the terms and conditions that back the affiliate program. And once you do that, you're going to know if you're going to be accepted or not, because it may not take an immediate response for you to know that you're in. So it may take quite some time for them to let you know that all of these have been approved. Okay, so once you go to the next step, just go ahead and complete your process. And once you complete your process, that's it. You will become an affiliate. You become a Bitget affiliate and start earning cool money in Bitget. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.